Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to offer a draw to your opponent in chess.com. For some reason you want to offer a draw, it's actually quite simple. Of course, you need to be signed into your account so you can play. Once you're logged in and you can see pretty much this homepage here, I want you to hover your mouse on the play button and click play online, right? So click play online. It's going to bring you to this page and you can just choose whatever customization you want. But after you're done, click start game and it's going to find you an opponent, right? So there you go. We have now an opponent. And what you want to do to draw is look towards here where there is an abort button. There's also a draw option here. So just click on this. Do you want to offer or claim a draw? No or yes. Of course, you want to click yes. After that, click that. And I've already offered a draw. It depends on whether or not as you can see, the game got aborted because the player on the other side just quit. But that's how you draw or offer a draw to the opponent in chess.com. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.